There, I wanted to do a quick review on this powerffy cordless vacuum. This vacuum is awesome. I love that I can just pick it up and start using it without plugging it in, especially if you just have a quick mess to clean up. This vacuum cleaner has power, and then there's a couple different modes. So you just turn it on, press the button, and vacuum, and then you can even do a higher mode. And then on here it shows how much battery is left on there. This vacuum is super easy to empty. There's just a red button here, and I usually just take it and hold it over the garbage and then empty it that way. You can make this taller, shorter or taller if you, however height you want it. And one of my favorite things that I like about this vacuum also is that it has a charging station that I put on the wall. So then I can literally just grab this and use it whenever I need to. So it just goes on here on the wall. Overall, I would definitely recommend that cordless vacuum cleaner.